Hi, I'm Dr. David Lickstein, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, Newsweek Top 100 surgeon for breast augmentation and facelifts. And I'm joined by one of my patients today. Thank you so much for coming in.
Oh, my pleasure.
Who underwent a facelift not that long ago. And I wanted to ask you a little bit about what led you to consider that, and tell me a little bit about you and why.
Okay, so I teach yoga and fitness in the community. I've been in Florida for 9 years, and I meet a lot of women. And while I'm teaching and I'm looking into having some kind of facelift, I met a lot of women and they had recommended you.
Thank you for sharing that. We really value the experience in our office and trying to make people feel warm and comfortable from the minute they call, through the consultation, and then on to the surgery and the results. Can you talk about what that was like coming in here? It could be sort of frightening for some people.
It was really frightening. Yes, I was definitely scared. But the whole process, everyone was so welcoming and kind, and it was great. It was really, I felt very well looked after.
We try to emphasize that we want people to feel informed, supported, comfortable the whole way. Can you tell me a little bit about what the surgery was like, what you remember from that, what it was like afterward? Was it painful? Was the recovery what you thought it would be, or what we had explained?
Well, I thought the recovery was going to be a lot longer than it actually was. I was ready to go back to work after 3 days, and I think probably a little bit too soon, and I decided that I should calm down and listen to you and try and rest. But I was ready to go back to work after 3 days.
I think people are surprised that the pain after this type of procedure, after a facelift, is not as much as they think it would be. No. But it is important to take the right amount of time to heal well. Yes. And let the incisions heal, get the stitches out, and recover properly. Right,
yes. Yeah, I was a little bit impatient to do that. So yeah, I'm glad that I was put on the right track, and I did what I was told.
Can you tell me a little bit about how you feel about the result? We often think that so much of plastic surgery and the power of plastic surgery is more than just how you look, but it's how you feel.
Well, I've had so many compliments. It's been a year now since I had the surgery, and even wherever I go, where I'm teaching, people think I'm at least 15 years younger than I am. And definitely when I wake up in the morning, I don't have that kind of tired look. So that's important to me, and it's important in my work that I look good.
Well, one of the most important things to me is natural results that are undetectable, and the highest compliment anybody can have is that people are pleasantly surprised by your age.
Very, very surprised by my age, yeah. So that's a great thing.
So we so much appreciate you coming in today and talking about this. Thank you for sharing your experience with us and your journey.
It's been so wonderful, thank you.